Hello, everyone. Welcome to tonight's product training. I am your host, Kate Sutton. I am without my other half today, Jessica. She's recovering from a major surgery. She's healing well, but she's still in a lot of pain. So send her some hugs and some good vibes and some prayers. I miss you, Jess. I can't wait until you're back here with me. Okay, we have a very awesome product to go over today, guys. Can you guess what it is? You probably can. It's FeelRite, okay? There's so much to go over today, so I hope that you took your recall, and I hope that you have your scuba suit on. Get it? Because we're going to do a deep dive into this product. Say hello as you hop on so I can shout you out, just like Lonnie just did. Hello, Lonnie. Thank you for being on the live. If you're catching the replay, let us know in the comments. Let's go ahead and just dive in. Now, I want to preface this by saying a disclaimer. Okay, so this product, FeelRite, has nothing to do with marijuana or THC, if you're more familiar with CBD products. It also has nothing to do with CBD. It's a completely different class, okay? So none of these ingredients will give you a buzz or make you feel high. I just want to preface that by saying that, just so there's no misunderstanding, because we will actually be referring to THC and CBD throughout this training to give you more of an understanding, something to kind of relate to as we're talking about this product, since it is in its own class of sorts. So, FeelRite. It is a unique, scientifically researched product. It is targeted support for physical ease and emotional comfort, especially during times of increased social stress. FeelRite works through your body's immune system pathways to act on the brain's endocannabinoid system without the use of CBD, and we will get into what the endocannabinoid system is and what it does here in a little bit. FeelRite's proprietary formula includes a combination of copaiba essential oil, Sichuan pepper extract, a unique cruciferous blend, and electric daisy to help you breeze through your day while empowering your immune system with 4Life transfer factor. So ease your body and mind and feel just right. Hello, Philip. Thank you for hopping on the live and introducing yourself. It's very nice to see you. Okay, so the endocannabinoid system. What is it? It is a complex cell signaling system identified in the early 1990s by researchers exploring THC. THC is a well-known cannabinoid. Cannabinoids are compounds found in cannabis. Okay. Research has linked the endocannabinoid system to the following processes. There's a couple of them: appetite and digestion, metabolism, chronic pain, inflammation, and other immune system responses, mood, learning and memory, motor control, sleep, cardiovascular system function, muscle formation, bone remodeling and growth, liver function, reproductive system function, stress, skin and nerve function. That's a lot of things. That research has linked the endocannabinoid system to all of those different processes. Okay, so those functions all contribute to something called homeostasis, and that refers to the stability of your internal environment. For example, if an outside force, such as pain from an injury or a fever, throws off your body's homeostasis, your endocannabinoid system kicks in to help your body return to its ideal operation. How cool is that? Okay, so today, experts believe that maintaining homeostasis is the primary role of the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system exists and is active in your body even if you don't use cannabis. That's pretty cool. The endocannabinoid system involves 3 core components: endocannabinoids, receptors, and enzymes. Let's go through those. The endocannabinoids, also called endogenous cannabinoids, I apologize for butchering that, They are molecules made by your body. So endocannabinoids are molecules made by your body. They're similar to cannabinoids, which are compounds that are found in cannabis, but they are produced by your body. These help keep internal functions running smoothly, and your body produces them as needed. Okay, so that's the first core component of your endocannabinoid system. The second component is endocannabinoid receptors, and they are found throughout your body. Endocannabinoids bind to these receptors in order to signal that the endocannabinoid system needs to take action. There are two main endocannabinoid receptors. Okay, there's CB1 receptor, and those are mostly found in the central nervous system and are widely expressed in the brain and the spinal cord. And then there's a CB2 receptor, and those are mostly found in your peripheral nervous system, especially in your immune cells in healthy individuals. CB2 receptors can also be found in other tissues that are under stress and in brain cells, including neuronal, glial, and endothelial cells in the brain. And this will all click, okay, once we get to the ingredients in FeelRite and why they actually put those ingredients together to make this formula, okay? So endocannabinoids, the molecules that are made by your body, can bind to either of those receptors, the CB1 or the CB2. The effects that result depend on where the receptor is located in your body, because remember, you have them all over your body. And which endocannabinoid it binds to. So for example, endocannabinoids might target CB1 receptors in a spinal nerve to relieve pain. Others might bind to the CB2 receptor in your immune cells to signal that your body is experiencing inflammation, and a common sign of autoimmune disorders. And then the third core component of the endocannabinoid system are enzymes. And those are responsible for breaking down endocannabinoids once they have carried out their function. Now, once again, I want to make this disclaimer for those who have just hopped on that this product FeelRite, we just went through a couple different components of the endocannabinoid system inside of you, but this product FeelRite has nothing to do with marijuana, which makes you high, and none of the ingredients in FeelRite will give you a buzz or make you feel high. I just want to keep reiterating that because we will be going through referring to THC and CBD as a reference, so you can kind of relate to how FeelRite relates to those. Okay, so how does FeelRite compare to CBD? Let's explain the difference between THC, which is a commonly known ingredient with people that know a little bit more about CBD or more familiar with them, CBD and FeelRite. Okay, so tetrahydrocannabinol, I probably said that perfectly. Otherwise known as THC, is one of the main cannabinoids found in cannabis. It's the compound that gets you high. Okay, so once that's in your body, THC interacts with your endocannabinoid system by binding to receptors, just like endocannabinoids, the molecules that are made by your body. So they do the same thing. THC is powerful partly because it can bind to both CB1 and CB2 receptors. Okay, that allows it to have a range of effects on your body and your mind, some more desirable than others. So for example, THC may help to reduce pain and stimulate your appetite, but it can also cause paranoia and anxiety in most cases, or in some cases. The other major cannabinoid that is found in cannabis is cannabidiol, otherwise known as CBD. Okay, very popular in the marketplace. Unlike THC, CBD does not make you high and typically does not cause any negative effects. Experts aren't completely sure how CBD interacts with the endocannabinoid system, but they do know that it doesn't bind to CB1 or CB2 receptors the way that THC does. Instead, many experts believe that it works by preventing endocannabinoids, the molecules that are made by your body, from being broken down. So that allows them to have more of an effect on your body. And others believe that CBD binds to a receptor that actually hasn't been discovered yet. While the details of how CBD works are still under debate, research suggests that CBD can help with pain, nausea, and other symptoms related to multiple conditions. Now, where does FeelRite come in? Okay, FeelRite has all the benefits and the cool stuff associated with CBD. So the common things that people talk about when they talk about CBD, or why they want to take CBD, not THC, CBD. FeelRite has all of those benefits without containing CBD. It's like a workaround that actually performs better, and I will tell you why here in a minute. FeelRite acts on the endocannabinoid system's CB2 receptor that's present in the immune system cells and central nervous system. And the ingredients in FeelRite also activate brain receptors and offer protection from oxidative stress. Okay, so interesting factoid. Before FeelRite was released in April of 2021 at the 4Life Shine Convention, the 4Life research and development team spent the past several years researching, formulating, and understanding the product. The motivation behind it stemmed from a well-known fact about the nutraceutical industry that CBD was growing quickly, it was gaining popularity, and products containing CBD were flying off the shelves. So 4Life wanted to include CBD in their products, but due to regulations, dietary supplements actually cannot contain CBD due to, I believe, the FDA. So they thought, I wonder if we can find some ingredients that can act in a similar way, but be a workaround. And as you can tell, since we're here and we're talking about FeelRite, they found it. So in a laboratory study, FeelRite performed better than competitors, including the leading CBD brand, #1 and the #2 CBD brand, and then pure CBD oil. It outperformed each of those products in activating the CB2 receptor. Okay, so let's go through some of these extra ingredients that are included in FeelRite. So that one I mentioned earlier, copaiba essential oil. It's extracted from copaiba trees, mostly found throughout Central and South America. It binds to CB2 because of an active compound such as beta-caryophyllene, the first officially recognized cannabinoid. It's been isolated both from the cannabis plant as well as the copaiba tree. It has the unique capability to selectively bind to CB2 receptors while avoiding CB1 binding. This prevents the psychoactive effects that may otherwise arise. Several studies suggest that copaiba oil can help support overall physical and emotional well-being. Hello, Biswajit. It's very nice to see you. Good morning to you. Thank you for saying hello on the live. As you hop on, please say hello. I want to shout you out. Okay, our next ingredient, palmitoyl ethylene nolamide. Palmitoyl ethanolamide. You know, I probably would get that if I had another minute, but we're just going to move on. That ingredient is produced naturally by the human body. It's also found in small amounts in certain foods such as egg yolks and nuts. You can reap additional benefits from that ingredient, which is also referred to as PEA, when consuming it in a supplement. Good thing you have a supplement you can take this with. PEA is considered an endocannabinoid-like compound without direct binding to endocannabinoid receptors. It's partly composed of a fatty acid, suggesting consuming it with food may increase its absorption in the body. PEA was discovered many years ago and has undergone many clinical studies, and the general consensus on PEA is that it can promote physical ease and emotional comfort. So you can see why they would include that in this product. Hello, Charles. Thank you for saying hi on live. And thank you for suggesting this product for our product training. Okay, our third ingredient in FeelRite is Sichuan pepper oil. It's grown in China and in Taiwan, and it affects neurotransmitters as well as act on the endocannabinoid receptors, at least in part due to the presence of the active compound known as sanshool. Sichuan pepper oil also supports brain and emotional well-being. So another product or another reason that they included that in this product. Okay, our fourth thing is a cruciferous blend. This blend contains higher concentration of the active ingredients known as indole-3 carbinol and diindolylmethane, also known as DIM, and that provides immune system modulatory effects for total body health. And some research suggests that these effects occur via CB2 receptors. Guys, every time I go through these ingredients, I'm thinking they pick perfect things. Okay, our fourth but not final ingredient is electric daisy, also known as Ochmella oleracea extract. This extract has many unique names such as spilanthes, buzz buttons, jambu, or electric daisy, depending on where you live around the world. Third-party lab studied the endocannabinoid binding effects of the individual ingredients in FeelRite in the blend that FeelRite has, as well as various other popular market brand CBD oils. And electric daisy was shown to have the greatest receptor binding effect of any individual ingredient in that study. I thought that was cool. And of course, last but certainly not least, we have our patented proprietary 4Life transfer factor trifactor formula, because no formula would be complete without it. And most of you are familiar with our trifactor formula and the benefits of it, but let's go ahead and just summarize. So it has our concentrated transfer factors, which are small proteins with immune modulatory benefits. This product, our trifactor blend, it augments immune system benefits already provided from ingredients in the FeelRite blend. And we know that our transfer factor formula when it's included in any blend, the effects of the other ingredients in that product are enhanced. And we know that because of the collagen study, the ProTF study, the Renuvo study, the prebiotic study, those different studies that were done on our products, also the studies that were done that are listed in the PDR. All of those studies were done with our products. So we know that when our transfer factor formula is included with those ingredients, that it enhances the effectiveness of those other ingredients. So another interesting factoid. So 4Life did research on the strength of each ingredient and how they work with the stress in the immune system, and more things. So you can check out the FeelRite workshop from the 4Life Shine convention videos in our Facebook group and on our YouTube channel to hear some more about this FeelRite product and some of the studies that they did on this product. One of the studies I actually found really interesting. It's slipping my mind at the moment, but I believe that it was at like the 9-minute mark on that training, on that workshop, because they released it during the convention. So yeah, that is FeelRite. It literally is a crazy awesome product. Just like reading the ingredients of it and how FeelRite actually compares to CBD or doesn't compare to CBD, because it's kind of not even on the same level as CBD, is really awesome. And the fact that it has nothing to do with the same way that CBD works is a complete workaround, and it works through the immune system cells. I thought that was so cool. Dr. Brent Vaughn also has a training on the FeelRite. You can find on the US Sales Team Facebook page. You just go on there and find the little search thing. Actually, I can show you that really quick if you would like. This is how I find some really cool training on the products from Dr. Brent Vaughn is I actually go to the US Sales Team Facebook page. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll type this in, and then I will show my screen. Go ahead and type out any questions or anything that you have right now. I would love to answer your questions. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so all I did was go to my Facebook and I searched US Sales Team. I'm going to click on their page right here. And let it load. Then I'm going to click this right here, this little magnifying glass right underneath this "What's that" button. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to type in FeelRite. It's all one word. Oh, my thing didn't type right. Hit enter. And bada bing, bada boom. All the posts that US Sales Team has made about FeelRite. So I'll just click on this right here. I don't have the
Hey everybody, how you doing today? We're so
for you guys to be able to hear it, but that is the video.
excited to be with you again today. A few days.
Okay, that's how you find that. So let's see if anyone had any questions or comments. Charles said, finally here. Hello, Charles. Welcome to the live. He said, it works too. And he said, in a week, I was walking up and downstairs without dragging myself up one step at a time with the handrail. That is an awesome product testimony. And you know what you can do with that? Share it with others. And you want to know what you can also use to share FeelRite with others? Our marketing cards. I believe that we have a FeelRite marketing card or postcard. We made it for a distributor and just decided, you know what, this is really awesome. So we're just going to release it for everybody to use. So I believe that it's available in the Dropbox. I will double check that and make sure that it's in there for you guys. It looks really cool, if I do say so myself. But yeah, and then you can use this video once it's on YouTube so they can learn a little bit more about it. So if that is the case and you are watching this because an affiliate sent this to you, hello. It's very nice to meet you. Please get back in contact with the affiliate that introduced you to this video. They would love to help you get on this product and customize your health journey. And I know that affiliate is a perfect affiliate for you. They can help you actually get 20% off your product purchase and free shipping on all orders above 100. And during the month of November, we have free shipping on all my shop orders. So reach out to your affiliate and let them know you are very interested in this product. Okay, guys, unless you have anything else that you would like to comment or say, I will go ahead and sign off on the recording part of this. So we will see you next week on our product training. Remember, we have Thursday prospecting training with Shane Pierman. Bye, guys.